Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi or PM Kisan scheme was started by the centre in 2019 to provide support and solace to the farmers in the country. This scheme received wide popularity as it sends rupees 6,000 every year to the farmers' bank accounts. Meanwhile, there are allegations that thousands of undeserving persons are getting the benefit from the scheme. Taking this into consideration, the central government has started taking measures to exclude those who pay income tax from the scheme's beneficiary list. As part of exclusion measures, the central government has issued the details of such people who are not eligible for the scheme. As per the details issued by the centre, about 15,163 income tax paying individuals are the beneficiaries of the scheme. District-wise information of these persons was also published by the centre. As per the list, the most number of undeserving persons are from Ernakulam. 2,079 persons were undeserving beneficiaries of the scheme from the district. These persons who pay the income tax might have to repay rupees 6,000 received under the scheme. The director of the Agriculture Department has directed the principal agriculture officers in the district to take appropriate measures in this regard. A bank account has also been started to collect the repaid money. The farmers in the lowest income bracket are supposed to be the beneficiaries of the scheme. The members of the scheme will get rupees 6,000 a year in 3 installments, each worth rupees 2,000. 36.7 lakh applicants were there for the scheme from Kerala alone. The scheme was started in 2019 February 24, providing solace to the common farmers in the country. In the guidelines given for the scheme, it is specifically said that those who pay income tax need not apply. Nationwide, the government has paid rupees 1,364 crore to 20.48 lakh undeserving beneficiaries under the PM Kisan scheme. This was revealed in a reply to an right to information query by the Union Agriculture Ministry. The ministry, in response to the RTA application, identified 2 categories of undeserving beneficiaries who received PM Kisan payouts as ineligible farmers and income tax payee farmers. A major chunk of these ineligible beneficiaries belongs to 5 states: Punjab, Assam, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh, as per the data. The scheme was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at a grand function in Gorakhpur in Uttar Pradesh. Several categories of farmers are excluded from the scheme, like institutional landholders, farmer families in which one or more members are among the beneficiaries, former and present holders of constitutional posts, former and present ministers, MPs, MLAs, MLCs, mayors and chairmen of district panchayat, serving and retired government employees, pensioners receiving over rupees 10,000 monthly pension, income tax payers and professionals such as doctors, engineers, chartered accountants, architects, etc. News Desk, Kaumudy English.